Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 123. Today in this video let's learn about how to fix maximum number of attempts reached while logging on in TikTok. So let's get started. At first let's get into TikTok app. Now click on your profile icon. Now we can simply continue with Google or through our username. So let's continue with Google for now. And we can see the maximum number of attempts reached is written over here. So to fix this, we can simply click on this three-line icon on the top right and scroll down and click on report a problem, and in the bottom we can see submit a report option. Simply tap on that. Now enter your problem here and simply click on submit, after which we'll get a reply from TikTok and your problem will finally be fixed. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.